Lillian is my nearly 3-year-old white-faced Capuchin monkey, and yes, she is wearing clothes today. I do like to see Lillian be a monkey, but it's cold outside. I think she's adorable, and I'm going to put clothes on her today because it is cold, and I don't want my monkey to be cold. She also sleeps in bed with me at night, and I sleep with a fan on, so I put clothes on her at night. So anyway, I'm fixing to take a rhino ride and thought you guys might like to come along with me and Lillian. And also I've got a leash on her because I do not want her to jump off. She likes to jump down and go play, which we do let her climb trees and play outside. So I have a leash on her today for her own safety. I don't want her to jump down and get hurt as we're driving. If you haven't checked out Lillian's video, we let her play outside and be a monkey, no leash, no diaper, no clothes. And today she's got a leash and clothes on. So it is what it is. I got to take care of my little girl. I don't want her to get cold and I don't want her to get hurt. So if y'all want to come along with us, let's go. So we had a nice little ride, and Lillian likes to play on the rhino. Whoops, there she goes. She's going to Quentin. Yay, she loves to play. This is our 360 swing right here. And if you haven't seen this, then I'll stick a link up at the top. We ride on this. And I'll stick a link up at the top so you guys can check out that video. There she is. We also have a zip line. It's a 360-foot long zip line. And that is about 35 feet, I guess, up in the air right there. And it goes all the way down to the end of the pasture. Lillian also rides on the zip line, so I'll stick a link at the top there. It's going to pop up right now for you guys to check out Lillian riding the zip line. There she goes. She's going to climb the 360 swing. There she goes. Yeah, you want to swing? Huh? There she goes. She likes to swing on it, so I might just get on it and let her swing with me. Yeah, this is actually 15 foot high. So the boys take it all the way up. They don't take it all the way around because our feet are not secure enough yet. We haven't secured the feet good enough to make me feel safe to let the guys do it. But actually, when you're up at the top, you're hanging upside down 30 feet in the air. It's a pretty cool swing. So y'all need to check out that link that I put up for you guys. Yeah, oop. She likes it too. She likes swinging on it. So. There she goes. Yeah, she loves playing outside. Like I said, today it's chilly, so she's got her little outfit on to keep her warm. And I do put an outfit on her every now and then because some of our viewers like to see Lillian wear clothes, and so I think she's pretty cute in them too. That does not mean that I don't like her being a monkey. She's beautiful with clothes or without. Yeah, she's way up there. All right. There she goes. She wants to swing. That's what that is. Yeah, Lillian wants to swing on the 360 swing. Yeah, look at that pretty girl. Yeah, look at that pretty. There she goes again. She says, I want to swing. Lillian loves playing outside. I have a lot of videos of her climbing trees and playing outside. Like I said, she's ridden the zip line and the 360 swing, the rhino. She likes to swim. So if you guys haven't checked out her videos, y'all are really missing out. Lillian does all kinds of activities. She has great adventures, and she's an awesome monkey. She loves going places with us and doing things. Yep, she's just an awesome girl. Look at her, she's so cute. Look at that girl. Look at that pretty girl. Look at my pretty little girl. You can come here to Mom? Oh, come on. You can come down here to Mama. Oh, she's a good girl. A lot of people think that, so a lot of people say that Lillian is going to run away from us, but that's not true. It's quite the contrary. Anytime Lillian gets afraid or she just wants me, she comes straight to me, and she knows she's perfectly safe. So y'all come take a ride with us. Let's go. All right, so here we go. Hang on, guys. guys, thanks for going with us, and we hope y'all have an awesome day today, and we will catch y'all next time. Lillian, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.